Good morning, everybody. My name is Cash and I work for Rick Case. I sell Hyundais and Genesis on the new side and pretty much everything under the sun on the pre-owned side. Today we're taking a look at the brand new 2024 Elantra Limited, and this is a new color as well for 24, Amazon Gray. We've had it on the Tucson previous years, but it looks pretty good on this one. New wheel patterning here for the 24 as well. Interior is pretty much about the same as the outgoing model. This is what it looks like. A couple new features on this vehicle. You have the rear parking sensors, which we had before, but they add the new front parking sensors on the vehicle as well for you. And then you also have the 360 bird's eye view on the vehicle, which is new for the 24 model year as well. Cool seats are in play this year, but they are only on the hybrid Elantra Limited, only on the hybrid. So gas, you just have the heated seats. If you guys have any questions on the cars ever, you got my number, 603-858-4511. Thanks so much, guys. I'll talk to you later. Take care.